How's it going, Phonlab? It's Root Junkie here, and today's video we're going to be talking once again about FRP, and this is going to be more or less a universal FRP removal method, and this is going to work on just about any device that is running Android 6.0.1 and below. So as long as you can escalate into the device, this should get FRP turned off. So I'm just showing you that I'm locked here just so you can see it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the method we're going to utilize. So just pick a Wi-Fi network that we can connect to. I'm already connected to one currently, but I'm going to pick another one just to show you the method. So you're going to type in something here. You're going to go ahead and hold down on that, and then you're going to click on share. Make sure it says show or else it won't work. Then hold down on Gmail, and then you go into notifications, I think, and then app settings. And then you come up here and you go back to accounts and say continue, and this gets you right into the device settings. Now, this is currently on a blue phone, but like I said, this will work on anything basically below Android 6.01, Motorola, Samsung, LG, anybody that you can escalate into the device. This should work. So just to show you what I'm on right now, this is Android 6.0, just so you guys can see it. All right, so we need to do some things in here. So we're going to go into security, and we're going to go over here to unknown sources. Make sure you check that and turn it on. Once you've got unknown sources turned on, that is good. We're going to go into about phone, and we're going to go to legal information, open source licenses. You can say okay to allow that. Just pick any one of these, and we're going to go ahead and do something. So we're going to go ahead and hold down on these. This time, you basically want to get into Chrome. This is the way I like to get into Chrome, and it's just to use Assist. You can also get into Chrome if your device has, let's see if it has it in here. Sometimes in the settings, there's a Google section. It'll just say Google. So if you don't have that, you can obviously use the method I was just going to show you. Oh, right, here's Google. Okay. So we can go this way too. The other way is do that and then hit Assist, and it'll open Google Now. Or you can come in here and go Google Now, search and now cards, now on tab, turn it on. See if it'll let me do it. Oh, it's not. Okay, so good thing we have both methods. Normally that's another way to get in as well. Or maybe try now cards actually. Let's try this one if it'll let us do it. Oh yeah, there it goes. Okay, so just hit no thanks, and you're at Google Now. You know, you can do stuff here. The other way would do the exact same thing if you hit the assist feature. So pick or choose whatever you want, whatever works. All right, so from here we're just going to type in Chrome. There we go. There's Google Chrome. And Chrome opens up. No thanks. And then we're going to go ahead and we're just going to go to my website. You can go anywhere you can download this application. You can rehost it. It doesn't matter. We do have this obviously hosted in our file repository on Mega here at Phonlab. But you can also just go to my site if you want. So Root Junkie SDL. And you just go here, click on this, and this will bring you to the main site. And if you scroll down until you see apps, you can click on apps, and then you'll click on the FRP folder within here. Once it finishes loading, right here's FRP. There we go. And then the last thing is to actually download the application that we want, and that application is right here. It's called Moto G3, this one right here. So you're going to say allow that, say allow, say OK to download the application, and then hit open. And since we turned on unknown sources already, we should be able to install this. So we're going to go ahead and click on it. And this is called Test DPC. And basically what Test DPC does is it allows you to put in basically what's a work profile, or basically add another user. And just by doing that, it removes FRP. It says it triggers the process that you've completed setup. So to do this, we're just going to hit open, and then you're just going to click setup, and then you're going to set up and hit OK. And this process is it's very simple. It may look a little bit varied, and there you go. You can see that your notification bar changed. This all just changed. We can skip the tutorial. We can skip this, and we can go ahead and swipe to unlock. Now, if you go home at this point, it says you haven't completed setup, and it gives you an error. But that's okay. What you're going to do from here is just go ahead and reboot the device. So restart. And once you restart, you will have officially 100% removed FRP. And I'll prove that to you as well, just so you can see it. But this is what I was trying to know, just so you guys understand, this is basically universal. This is an excellent method to use on hundreds of devices, different models and makes and manufacturers. If you want to see a little bit more detail on some more of this, you can actually watch the Droid Turbo 2 videos for FRP. They're actually really good and they talk about this application as well. But I figured we'd cover it again here in this video just because of the nature of the universalness of this application and what it does on so many Android versions and so many devices. Okay, there we go. There is the initial setup, and then we can just swipe over, hit OK. You can see we're already in to the phone, right? So we're good. And then last, just to make sure it's all functional correctly, is you can close that out. We need to let it connect to Wi-Fi. It's taking its sweet time. So let's just go into settings and make sure it's going to connect. It's obtaining the IP. So as soon as it does that, which it should, we can close that. It's not a big deal. It should obtain the IP, and as soon as it obtains the IP, okay, there we go, it just connected. We can just click on the Play Store, and you're going to see here now that we're done. It's going to allow you to sync and connect right here. Sign in with any account you want, and you sign in, and boom, you are good to go. So this is a sweet method. I like it a lot. Escalation method into the device and getting into settings and getting the app installed can vary a little bit, but the app does the whole job for you. And at this point, I mean, if you have the app installed, you can actually just go ahead. You don't need it anymore, and just delete it, hit uninstall, and you're good. You're good to go. You're rocking it. So hope you guys like this video, and obviously stay tuned for more FRP research. Hopefully have some new stuff coming soon. I've got some cool stuff we've been working on. I'm pretty excited about, so maybe we'll get that out at some point here. But research takes time, but I hope you guys have been enjoying these FRP videos, and we'll catch you in the next one. Root Junkie, out.